Hi, this is Eric Gatis. I'm here to show you how to get your password for NWEA. The accounts were all created, and what we're seeing is that the passwords were really long. So I'm going to show you a way that you can change your password before you even start the process of exploring the content inside NWEA. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to go into my Omnibar, nwea.org, and it's going to take me to the NWEA main page. There are different ways that you can get to this point, but this is just the easiest way for now. There's also an icon on our web page to get there. So I'm going to go just click into map growth. You'll get this alert. You can just, it's okay. So let's act like I don't know what that password is. So just go down to forget username or password. Type in your email address. And send instructions. Return to login. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my mail. And it populates right here. Perfect. Open up that message. And then the link below your username. Here's your username, it's your Google email address, and then you will click the link to reset your password. So here it is, reset your password. Save changes. That alert comes up. Type my password that I just changed it to, box, log in, and voila. Now this dashboard looks different than yours because this is an administrative dashboard, so your dashboard will look different than this, but I just wanted to show you how you can go ahead and get your password. I'll be working on other small videos, tutorials on NWEA to show you how to get to the areas that you need to be at with regards to administering the assessment and assigning the assessment to your students. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, please let me know, or if there's a video that you would like to see on here, just let me know that as well, and I'll work on getting it up. Thank you very much.